Welcome to Kids Can Cook, where kids can cook. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make delicious oatmeal raisin cookies. Today we will be using 130 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of raisins, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 150 grams of oatmeal, 100 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of butter, and an egg. Today we will also be using 2 baking sheets, a whisk, and a mixer with a whisk attachment. The first thing you want to do is mix your flour, baking soda, and salt in a bowl. Mix it together with the whisk. Also, add the cinnamon and mix well. Now you want to take a spatula and mix the raisins and the oats into the flour. The next thing you want to do is take your butter, unwrap it, put it into the bowl, and also take your sugar and put it in there too. Now you're going to want to mix those both together on setting 6. After the butter and sugar are mixed, it should look something like this. The next thing you want to put in is the vanilla extract. Now just mix it in with the butter on the same setting. Remember to always scrape down the sides of the bowl so everything gets mixed evenly. After you have scraped down the sides of the bowl, remember to mix again. Now you are going to want to put in your egg. Mix it. This is what the butter looks like after the egg has been mixed. Now you want to mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix them together with a spatula. If you can't incorporate everything with the spatula, you can switch over to your hands. I like to use an electronic weight to measure my dough just so that each batch can cook at the same ratio. Now what you're going to want to do is take some cookie dough, measure it. If it's around 40 grams, which this one's not, if it's around 40 grams, then put it onto the baking sheet and flatten it just a little bit. When you put the cookie dough onto the baking sheet, you're going to want to flatten it and also make that cookie shape, which is like a circular shape. After you have shaped and put the cookies onto a baking sheet, put it into a 350-degree preheated oven for 11 minutes. This is what the cookies look like after 11 minutes in the oven. Let the cookies cool until they start to settle and harden. Now that the cookies have cooled, it's time for the taste test. That is really good. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and also ring that notification bell for upcoming videos.